Hello everyone, welcome to you on Think Future Academy channel. Today I will start a series of videos on budget and cost management skills. The objective of the course is to understand the budget and cost management skills through which business often encounter financial difficulties as a result of either inadequate budgeting and costing or errors within the compilation of the budgets. This budget and cost management training course takes a practical approach to financial planning control for the organizational and considers the compilation of budgets, managing cost, how to identify potential problems arising and suggests actions which can be taken. It also looks at ways of improving financial planning and control using cost analysis and budgets, so as to improve performance and/or avoid financial problems. By the end of this course you will be able to analyze and understand the budgeting process, analyze and understand cost types and behavior, analyze and understand cost structure and costing system. In the series of videos you will learn the following's astable of content. Chapter 1, Budgeting and Budgeting Process. Chapter 2, Flexible Budget. Chapter 3, Cost Drivers and Activity-Based Costing. Chapter 4, Cost Analysis and Behavior. Chapter 5, Price Decisions. Chapter 6, Segmental Reporting. Chapter 7, Capital Budget. Chapter 8, Non-Financial Performance Measure. Chapter 9, Divisional Performance.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and before leaving, if you have not already subscribed this channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to get updates when I post new videos. Provide your feedback in comments. You can download material from the below links under video.